ICAS Picture Cleaning and Art Restoration Service, Letchworth Garden City, Hertfordshire. Fine art restoration. We can restore any painting to its original state. Our experienced art restorers are highly qualified to complete works in the medium of paper and canvas paintings. Art restoration service covers original paintings from the 17th-21st century, including cleaning, restoration, and varnishing. As a general guideline, here are the processes of completing an art restoration service. Cleaning. All original oil paintings, exposed to the natural elements of air pollutants over time, combined with varnish, aging, reduce the clarity and color intensity. We begin the work by first testing and examining a small area to establish which chemicals can gently lift the residue without affecting the paint layer. Repair. We complete any minor structural repair damage, minimizing all risk, i.e., tiny holes can be repaired from the back using a linen or canvas patch. We recommend relining, if necessary, with a new canvas for more extensive damage or weakness in canvases by carefully applying a conservative removable adhesive or wax resin mix. The guideline we follow with our restoration work is all reversible. Retouching. While completing the cleaning and repair stage, if we discover any fine cracks or joints showing bare canvas, our restorer will revisit the original painting by retouching with oil paint to ensure a seamless repair. And finally, complete the work by applying 2 coats of varnish to protect the original painting. We advise on all aspects of conservation, providing a primary appraisal of the painting condition and work required. Our first meeting for the inspection is at no charge. For an in-depth assessment, a small fee is payable. We offer a collection and delivery service from your home after completion. Call us today to make an appointment to visit our gallery, or we can meet you to discuss your requirements. Telephone 01462 677455